Group Dusara Lamjingbi Village Level Federation held an alert sit-in protest today at Kewa Bazaar of Imphal East. The protest was organized in the backdrop of Indo-Naga peace agreement that took place on October 31st last. Mau Imphal Market Coordinating Committee celebrated Ningol Chakoba at Naurimthong Khulin Leikai Community Hall today. Advisor of Mau Market Coordinating Committee H. Ibotombi Khuman, President of Mau Union Imphal Punilosi Mau, Convener of the committee Khuraijam Athauba and Chairman of the committee Besi Mau attended the function. The second edition of Arunachal Literature and Art Festival, one of the state's flagship literary festivals, is all set for a spectacular start here at the picturesque Indira Gandhi Park from November 8 next. The dates of the festival were announced during a press conference by Pinky Vio, the event and creative head of the festival, on Tuesday. The festival received an overwhelming response from art and literature lovers in its first edition, and this time it would witness more than 30 eminent poets, authors and literary from across the country. GVK EMRI 108 Mrityunjoy Services completed 11 years of saving lives in Assam today, 2005, to provide integrated emergency response services. It is a public-private partnership mode with a vision to provide leadership to save 1 million lives per annum nationally. The results for online applications for stalls allotment of the upcoming Sangai Festival was announced yesterday. At the CM Secretariat, Chief Minister N. Biren pressed the computer button to generate a computerized random allotment of stalls in two different locations, namely Hapta Kangjibung in Imphal East and Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lambui Khongnangkong. In Kokomi-led agitations in the backdrop of Naga Framework Agreement final settlement, Thangtek Women Development Association staged an alert sit-in protest at the Thangtek area of Konthaujam constituency. A public meeting was held at the community hall of Wangu Maning Sabal of Bisnupur district yesterday. The meet demanded prompt disclosure of Naga peace talks to the masses. The protest was attended by coordinator of Kokomi Sunil Karam, UCM Secretary Yaima Shah and leaders of women organizations. For the first time in Manipur, sanitary napkins vending machines were installed at schools and public toilets of Jiribam district. The initiative was taken up by Jiribam Municipal Council. Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council S. Santi Devi also inaugurated a sanitary napkin incinerator. Sanitary napkins vending machines were installed at 3 public toilets and 5 different schools of Jiribam yesterday. Newly appointed Mizoram Governor Sridharan Pillai exuded hope that he can easily adapt with Mizoram since it has great resemblance with Kerala in many aspects. PS Sridharan Pillai said that he will try his level best for the welfare and well-being of the people of the state after taking oath yesterday. Meghalaya Tourism on Tuesday issued a clarification regarding registration process for tourists and visitors coming to the state. Notably, last week, Meghalaya Cabinet passed an ordinance making it mandatory for all outsiders to register with the government before entering the state. Last evening, the Meghalaya Tourism Director CVD Dingdo issued a statement stating that the registration process has not begun and added that the state welcomes all domestic and international travelers.